Hey guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into Doha Online Banking Account. If you have already registered for online banking account, then now you can log into your account using the login credentials that you have set while registering for your account. The process to log into your online banking account is pretty simple, secure, and straightforward. By the completion of the login process, you can have access to your financial transactions, account histories, and details from anywhere and anytime online. So in order to get started, all you have to do is go to any browser on your desktop. Then on the search bar, search for qa.dohabank.com. And once you land onto an interface like this, you can see the tab on the right side of the site. Go and tap onto the login option. Then choose to log in from the login option here. Now it brings you to another tab where you can log into your online banking account on Doha Bank. But before you get started, there are a few things that you need to keep in your mind. You can't log into your online banking account if you haven't registered for it at the first place. So in order to register for your online banking account on Doha Bank, go and tap on to register now. Once you are done registering, you will be provided with a username and a set of password that you can log into your account with. So go to username text field and enter the username that is associated to your Doha Bank online banking account. Then enter the password in the password text field that is set while registering for your online banking account. If you have forgotten your username, then you can just go and tap on to forget username option here in order to reset your username. And similarly, if you have forgotten your password, then you can just go and tap on to forget password option here and reset your password. And once you have filled up your information, you can just go and tap on to login. By doing this, you will have successfully logged into your online banking account on Doha Bank. So with all this information, I think you will be able to log into your Doha Bank online banking account in no time. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.